appreciate it so much.
Crowds are back at Yankee Stadium, but the baseball season is still months away, and this is no normal season opener. The home of the Bronx Bombers is in one of the neighbourhoods hit hard by COVID-19. Now the baseball stadium is also a COVID-19 vaccination site. It's only open for eligible Bronx residents.
They've suffered inordinately, so hopefully this will address that issue.
It just gives us an opportunity to, better off, fight the disease.
It will allow people to tap more into community again in a way that we haven't been able to.
Officials hope targeted vaccination locations will be a game changer. This site has the capacity to handle 15,000 appointments in its first week of operation. They hope to boost capacity beyond 15,000 in the future, depending on supply.
The mayor of New York and the governors working together with the Yankees choose us to be here because they understand that this community was the one who suffered the most.
COVID-19 has killed Black and Latino New Yorkers at disproportionately higher rates. And critics say the vaccine rollout hasn't been equitable. Nearly a quarter of the city's population is Black, but that isn't reflected in the vaccine data that's available. More than 800,000 vaccine shots have been administered in the city, but only around 11% of those have gone to Black residents. The hope is that vaccine hubs like this can help address vaccine inequality. Increasing vaccination sites in communities of colour, boosting outreach efforts and easing the vaccination application process are tactics being used to address disparities in the vaccine rollout. It's an issue reported across the United States. And healthcare experts say more needs to be done to break down barriers to access the vaccine.
They're getting the vaccine to people, but if we don't do a better job of getting people to the vaccine, including making it easier for them to take time off, making it easier for them to physically get to the vaccination site safely, then we're not going to be able to get people to that vaccine.
Citi Field, home to the New York Mets baseball team, is set to open as a 24-hour vaccine hub on Wednesday. Eligible Queens residents, food workers and taxi drivers will be the priority there. As the vaccine rollout gathers pace, officials hope a more targeted approach will help prevent any populations being left behind. William Denselow, CGTN, New York.